Hi everybody, this is Sean Heideman, designated broker with Position Realty. Today I am at a new home community. It's called Union Park. It is an Ashwood community. Ashwood is the developer. It is located off of 19th Avenue and Joe Max area. I have a little map here that kind of shows where the community is. It's all right around this area. And it's got quite a bit of amenities as well. So they have a little package here. One of a kind community. They have little parks. They have a pool, tennis court. Looks like a community center as well. Basketball court. Parks, looks like a little splash pad there. And over here is the price sheet. It's kind of hard to see. So it looks like the price range is between $530 all the way to $611,000. They have all sorts of different floor plans, 1840 square feet, all the way up to 2618 square feet. They only have one model home that I'm going to be touring here. I'm in it right now. And then here's their spec sheet. It's even smaller than the other one. So if you guys can see that. If not, just email me and I'd be happy to scan it and email it and give you a copy of this information as well. So let's tour the model home here. I'm in the kitchen area. So it has light gray cabinets on the island and white cabinets with like a looks like a quartz countertop. French kitchen gas stove. So this community has gas. And the kitchen opens up to, looks like the dining room area and a great room area. Plank tile flooring, looks real nice, and kind of like a taupe color paint on the walls. Now it has these Arcadia doors that open all the way. Those are really nice. Kind of opens it up if you're have a nice weather out. You can open it up, let the nice cool breeze in. So back here looks like a half bath. There I am. Hello. And it looks like a coat closet here. Off on the side. Some cabinet space. And looks like the bedrooms are upstairs. Okay, opens up to a loft area. A little bar you can put stuff on. Some more additional cabinet space. Upstairs laundry, that's nice. So that you don't have to bring your laundry downstairs and bring it all the way back up. Here's a full bath, double sinks. And 2 bedrooms off on this side. has regular closet. Looks like 9-inch ceilings as well. And here's another bedroom. Closet off on the side. Okay. I'm guessing the master is on this side over here. Loft area again. Got the full shower. A lot of developers are doing that now, and a lot of people that do remodeling as well. His and her sinks, a little powder space underneath, and a full walk-in closet over here. Pretty good size. Walk-in closet. And toilet area over here. Nothing special. A little more of the master here. So that concludes the model. This is the smaller square footage model home that was on the first one at the top of the list. But I think I've done about 4 or 5 of these videos. As you can kind of see, each builder is a little bit different. They offer a little different options, so you have to pick and choose your builder. Look at the floor plans, how they set up the house. If all the first ones, I think they all had walk-in closets, so that's nice. So it just depends on the area and location, what you guys are looking for, but you can start to see how each one's a little different, what they offer and whatnot. But anyway, stay tuned for the next new home tour, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. Also, I have my calendar below and all my social media, my email, my phone number as well down there. So please feel free to reach out if you have any questions about real estate. Thank you for watching.